everyone, it's Gillian, and in today's video I'm going to be giving slime a complete makeover, and you guys really love these videos, which makes me so happy because they are some of my favorite to create. Up first, this is a more recent slime and it's a bubblegum themed slime. It had a really thick and clicky base, and you guys might remember this slime from my mystery slime box video, and I remember thinking while I was filming that video that I'd love to give this slime a makeover. Now, I loved this bubblegum slime. It was that amazing bubblegum color and it had that amazing bubblegum scent, but I thought that I could take this slime to a whole new level, and I've actually always wanted to create a really extra bubblegum slime, so I thought today is the perfect opportunity to do that. So I started off by placing the slime in a bowl and mixing it all together to make sure that it was all the same texture. Then I added some lotion and some conditioner just to make sure that it was as glossy and clicky as possible. Now, it had faded a little bit in scent and I wanted that bubblegum scent to be super powerful, so I added some more, and this smells amazing. It's filled my entire room with bubblegum. Now, when I was planning this slime, I decided that it would look so cool if it was two different colors, so I decided to split the slime mixture as evenly as possible into two different bowls, and then one slime I tinted a beautiful bubblegum blue, and this was really easy to do. It was so simple to take the pink to a blue, which made my job so much easier. Sometimes it can be hard changing a slime color, but not this time. And then to the other bowl, I just added a little bit of pink food coloring just to make it a bit more bright and vibrant. And then once I was happy with the colors, I just activated both the slimes and these reactivated perfectly. I wanted this slime to have a bit more texture, so I decided to turn it into a chewed up bubblegum texture. And to do that, I just took some of these foam packing pieces and I broke them up slightly and just mixed these into the slimes. Now, to finish off this amazing bubblegum slime, I just took a plastic container and put the slimes side by side, and they looked so awesome together. Then I topped it off with some really pretty bubblegum colored sprinkles and some cute little lollipop charms, just because I thought these went perfectly with the bubblegum theme. So this is the slime before. It's a bit melted and it's just not looking its best. And then this is the slime after its complete transformation. What do you guys think of this slime? I was so obsessed with it. It looked so beautiful and I had so much fun mixing the two colors together. For the next makeover, I'm actually going to be giving two slimes a makeover, and I'm going to use these two slimes to create an awesome Starbucks Frappuccino inspired slime. So starting off with the pink slime, so this was originally a unicorn hot chocolate inspired slime, so I decided to keep that theme. So I just placed the slime in a bowl and mixed it all together to make sure that it was all the same texture. Then I just added some lotion to soften up the slime. The scent of this slime had faded quite a bit, so I decided to give it a nice sweet candy popcorn inspired scent, and I just mixed this in. Next, I decided that I wanted this slime to be more of a pinky purple, so I decided to add some blue food coloring, and then I realized that this job would probably be a lot easier if I activated the slime first. So here I am activating the slime, and then I will go back in with my food coloring to get that perfect color. And the color I was going for was actually inspired by these marshmallow foam beads that I wanted to use on top of this slime, so I just used that as a reference, and I felt like I did a pretty good job at getting the exact color that I wanted. This slime already had some colorful sprinkles, so I decided to add more just to add a bit of texture and a lot more fun to this slime. Moving on to the other slime in this transformation, I wanted this Starbucks Frappuccino to have that whipped cream look on top, so I decided that this slime would be perfect for that. So I just poured it into a bowl and mixed it together. It had separated a little bit. I think it was a clay-based slime originally because that had separated, but it mixed in perfectly. Then I decided to add more sprinkles, and this gave it an awesome funfetti effect, and it was just so colorful and fun. And then I just went ahead and reactivated it. Now I really wanted this slime to hold its shape sitting on top of the Frappuccino inspired slime, so I decided to add some instant snow powder to slightly turn it into a cloud cream. I didn't add that much, but it definitely gave it a cool icy looking texture. I then also added a tiny bit of Daiso soft clay, and this made for the most awesome and soft and fluffy, perfect whipped cream inspired slime, and I was so happy with it. And then to create the final slime, I just started off with some pink slime and then topped it off with the whipped cream inspired slime. Then I placed some little pink marshmallow foam beads on top and a little green straw, and also some sprinkles because everything needs sprinkles. So here we have the before of the two slimes, and we took those two slimes and turned it into this awesome Frappuccino inspired slime, and I loved everything about it, from the scent to the texture, and it made me really happy. So this next slime makeover was definitely the most tricky, but I had so much fun creating it. At first I wasn't sure if it was going to be able to be saved, but it totally was, which made me very happy. So I started off by scooping out all of these pink and yellow foam beads, just so that I would have a more simple base to start with. And I'm pretty sure this slime from memory is over a year old, so it definitely needed a transformation. So I decided to mix it all together just to see what I was working with, and we had a very odd base. I couldn't pick up a scent. I didn't know what kind of slime it originally was, but at this point I was still hopeful. So I placed it all in a bowl, and then I decided to tint it a bright yellow, and that totally worked. I was going for a really tropical fruit theme with this slime, so we started off with a yellow base. Then I went in with some lotion, and I also added some shaving cream just to fluff it up a little bit, and this worked really well. Now the shaving cream did start to reactivate it, but I have found that that does happen sometimes, and it's totally fine. Next I decided that I wanted to scent this slime to go along with that citrus fruit theme, so I just used this citrus splash scent, and oh my gosh, I was obsessed with it, and I'm definitely going to be using it in more slimes. And then it was just time to reactivate the slime, and this reactivated so well. I still could not believe that this was the same slime that we started off with. Then I decided that I wanted this slime to be more of a butter slime texture, so I added some Daiso soft clay, and this made the best butter slime. It was so soft and stretchy, and I was obsessed with it. And then to finish off this slime, I just placed them in a container, and then I thought it would look so cool with some bright large foam beads on top, and I created a really awesome design because honestly I felt like it and I thought it would look really cool. What do you guys think? I was so happy with it, and I went with some pink and yellow and green foam beads. So this is the slime before. As you can see, it was not a slime at all and should probably have just been thrown out, but I'm so happy that I decided to try and give this slime a makeover, and it could not have turned out any better. I was so happy with it, and oh my gosh, the scent that I added to this slime was amazing. let me know in the comments below which slime makeover was your favorite. Also, let me know if you would like to see more slime makeover videos in the future because I love creating them. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!